In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in your Weebly website in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to organize your content better or simply want to enhance the visual layout of your site, this guide will take you through each step clearly and efficiently. First, let's head over to the Weebly website where it all begins. Open your web browser and go to Weebly's official site. It's a good idea to log in using your email and password, making sure you've got your credentials ready. If you don't have an account yet, pause the video and set that up before moving forward. Once you're there, click on the login button to access your account. This action takes you directly to the Weebly dashboard, where you can see an overview of all your projects. It's like the command center for your web building experience. Next, find and click on Edit Site. You'll recognize this button easily as it's near the top of the page. Taking this step will open the Weebly site editor where all the magic happens. In the site editor, you'll see various options available to customize your website. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this space as it's where you'll put all these steps into action. Now find the Build tab located at the top of the site editor. With just a click, you'll be taken to a panel where you have access to different building elements. This is where you get to be creative, so take a minute to look around and explore the options. When you're ready, select the area on your web page where you want to add your columns. By clicking on the desired space, you create a spot ready to be customized. To begin constructing your columns, you'll need to drag and drop elements into the selected spot. Start with choosing an element that fits the purpose of your column. You may decide to add a text block for information, which you can do by simply clicking and dragging the text block from the build panel into your chosen location on the web page. The same process applies when you want to add a button. Just drag the button block and position it where it makes the most impact, like at the far right end of your existing elements. This ability to decide and rearrange elements ensures flexibility and balance in your design. And there you have it, you've added columns to your Weebly site. It's an easy process with a huge payoff in terms of website functionality and appearance. With your newly added columns, your web page should have a cleaner and more organized structure, making it appealing to visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Weebly experience.